even as an important step towards the signing of an agreement of a trade deal between Qatar and India is underway. The process has started. To talk about that, I have with me Mr. Mohammad Altaf, who is the Group Director of Lulu Group. Sir, tell us, what are the expectations from this particular visit? The two countries working closer together and, of course, eventually looking in the horizon of a trade deal as well.
No, it's a very important visit for the reason that this is followed by a very highly successful visit by His Highness Amir to Qatar, and we had some very serious follow-up visits from Indian side. Now, Qatar Indian business, Qatar was always, India was always the most favorite trade partner for Qatar, but over the years, Qatar's economy has changed, its priorities has changed, just like India has changed a lot. So today, I think that this is not going to be transactional anymore. What Qatar and Indian side is expecting is to take it to next level, where there will be joint investments. Qatar is looking for a lot of joint ventures to come to Qatar from India. And Qatar has created a fantastic infrastructure in terms of global trade. Qatar has a world-class port. It has a Qatar financial center. We have nice airports. So Qatar is expecting Indian companies to move in here. And Qatar has got very favorable trade deals and treaties with different countries around the world. We hope that this partnership, this synergy will work and the momentum will continue. We hope the investment will go up far more than what we have predicted last year. We were expecting to have about 10 billion Qatari investment coming to India. I am very confident that with this kind of visits and mutual exchanges, this will go up further.
Which are the sectors in which you are expecting to see a lot more cooperation?
Traditionally, there are a lot of other areas that we cooperate, like energy, food security. I think going beyond this, it's going to be on the financial markets and specifically on digital transformation. Qatar wants to become a center of innovation, wants to attract global talent, specifically to the Asian subcontinent, and then use Qatar for smart manufacturing and AI or artificial intelligence related businesses in Qatar. I think that is where there will be a lot of synergy. And again, high-tech pharmaceuticals, precision medicines. There are so many areas that Qatar is very active.
Right. Already, there's a huge presence of Indian nationals, people of Indian origin
Yes.
in Qatar and, of course, in Gulf countries in general.
Qatar,
So, traditionally, also, there's been a lot of people-to-people ties.
People-to-people is always fantastic, and Qatar was always very safe, welcoming place for Indians, and historically, and it is, continuing even under this leadership.
Thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you.